Hello everyone, I want to give a VirtualBox installation tutorial. Before entering the installation menu, I inform for you a little about what is a VirtualBox. Oracle VM VirtualBox, are often called VirtualBox, is a virtualization software that can be used to execute additional operating system in main operating system. For example, if someone has a Microsoft Windows operating system installed on their computer, they can also run other desired operating system in the Microsoft Windows operating system. VirtualBox is free to download and use GNU/GPL license version 2 and supports many types of operating system, but for 32-bit and 64-bit versions, both as a whole starting Windows, Linux, Macintosh, and Solaris operating system, and as a just for small operating system starting from Windows NT 4.0, 2000, XP, 2003 Server, Vista, Windows 7, Windows 8, DOS or Windows 3.x, Linux 2.4, 2.6, and 3.x, Solaris and Open Solaris operating system or 2 until OpenBSD. Well, without any further length, we go directly to the installation menu.
Okay, for the first, installing VirtualBox can use the installation file offline or online. Online installation can only be done to host Linux. For Windows operating system, 32-bit or 64-bit, we must first download the file. Then double-click on the VirtualBox application file that has been downloaded. Next, the welcome screen appears in the VirtualBox installation process. Click the next button for the next process. In this section, you can determine what features will be installed or not, starting from support for USB, networking to Python scripts for the VirtualBox API. In this section, we can also specify the location of the VirtualBox folder to be installed. Leave all the folder settings and application features to be installed. Click the next button for the next process. In this section, we can determine whether the way to quickly access VirtualBox shortcut will be installed on the desktop and quick launch bar. Enable register file association so that files with extension related to VirtualBox are recognized by the operating system. Click the next button for the next process. Next appears a notification that in the installation process, the interface or network card that is on the computer will be temporarily disabled, but will be reactivated automatically with the additional of a virtual network card from VirtualBox. Click the Yes button to continue the installation process. VirtualBox already has the information needed and is ready to be installed. Click the Install button to start the VirtualBox installation process. Wait until the installation and copying of the VirtualBox application file is complete. If in the installation process, questions arise regarding system security, check the Always Trust Software from Oracle Corporation confirmation box, then press the Install button. If you press the don't install button, the installation process will be stopped. And if the always trust software from Oracle Corporation confirmation box is not activated, security related questions will appear several times, and we must process the install button to complete the VirtualBox installation process. The next screen informs you that the VirtualBox installation is complete. Click the Finish button to exit the installation process and run the VirtualBox application. Well, this is the front view of the newly installed VirtualBox application. If there is a JUS operating system installed, it will be displayed on the left screen. The running indicators and the JUS operating system indicate that the JUS operating system is active, while the right hand side is information about the selected JUS operating system.
Well, this is a tutorial installation VirtualBox with a PC on Windows 7 operating system. I thank you for your watching and see you next time.